Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by turning off your Conga 3690 and unplugging it from the power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the bottom of the device. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the device. If you encounter any resistance, use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open gently. With the cover removed, you will see the battery compartment. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment with the soft cloth. This will help ensure a good connection with the new battery. Now disconnect the old battery by carefully unplugging the connectors. Make sure to note how the battery is positioned, as you will need to place the new battery in the same orientation. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the old battery is removed, take your new battery and connect it to the same connectors. Ensure it is securely attached. If you need assistance, our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get help without any hassle. After connecting the new battery, place it back into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Replace the cover of the device, aligning it properly before securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Tighten the screws gently but firmly to avoid stripping them. Now that the battery is installed, it's time to test the device. Plug it back into the power source and turn it on. If everything is working correctly, you should see the device powering up. If you encounter any issues, remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you know what to expect. Finally, take a moment to clean the exterior of your Conga 3690 with a soft cloth to keep it looking new. Regular maintenance will prolong the life of your device. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help you with all your Conga needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.